Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI MediaPad T5, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by going into Devices Settings and choosing Apps and Notifications right away. Following that, tap on App Twin and click on the gray sweater next to one of your available apps that you wish to clone. Then wait. So now when I go back, as you can see, my Facebook app was successfully cloned. In order to delete this clone, go back to the same App Twin settings and tap on the blue sweater next to your app. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!